guys, it's Abby. Today we're going to be making this awesome wood sign. Here are all the materials that you need for this project. The links are in the description. If you buy any of these products immediately, then I will make a small commission. For the first step, you're going to stain your wood circle, and it really does not matter what color stain you use, whatever you choose. Then flip it over and do the other side. Now let it dry all the way through before you go to the next step. Now prep your sign for painting. You're going to put a piece of tape or painter's tape in the middle of the circle. Now you can start painting, and you might have to do a few coats. Alright, now you're going to let the paint dry, and if you're in a hurry, you can use a hair dryer. Once the paint has dried, you're going to go ahead and remove your painter's tape from the sign. Alright, now you're going to go to your computer, and you're going to go to Cricut Design Space, and you're going to design what you want on your sign. The fonts that I used for this one are the Skinny and Magical Feather. Alright, go ahead and complete your design, and then cut out on your cutting machine. I use Premium Permanent Vinyl by Cricut, and I use Black Glossy. Alright, after you have cut out your design, you're going to go ahead and weed your design and trim it up before you place it on your wood sign. Then you're going to place your contact paper to your vinyl. I love the duct tape brand. It is the best. All right, now you're gonna transfer your design to your wood. Use your scraper and get it really good. If you have any bubbles, you can use the hair dryer to get those out. Now go ahead and seal your paint and vinyl with regular Mod Podge matte. You don't have to do this, but your wood sign will be outside and could be affected by the outdoor elements. Long enough so it will hang on the door and look good. So what I do is I flip it over once it's dry. And sometimes I will put it up the ones I've already made. Sometimes I'll put it next to the door and see how long I want it to hang. Just want to make it look right. Okay. Now I'm going to get my staple gun. You don't have to paint the back, but I just think it looks better. And also, if you mess up, you can always use the other side if you're not going to sell it. I can put some greenery there. It kind of went through a little bit, so I'm going to put some greenery there at the end because it is a little bit thinner than what I'm used to using. So do be mindful of that. Line it up with the other one. Make sure it's even where you want it. You don't want it. All right, now I'm going to put a bow on here that I made. I'm going to staple it into 2 spots, kind of fluff it up a little bit. I will be adding some greenery, and then you can also, if you don't like how it's sitting, you can put some hot glue. So I think I'm going to trim it up with just a little bit. That part is like it doesn't have to be perfect, but I did put it on the other side of the so that it looks symmetrical. You can also put it in the center. That's just really up to you or your customer's preference. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box. There you go. Have fun. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel for more craft projects.